Welcome students. I am Satish Kumar Sinha, physics teacher. Today we are going to discuss the topic characteristics of vibrations. Before we start the characteristics of vibrations, first you know what is simple pendulum. A simple pendulum consists of a small metallic bob suspended by a long inextensible string fixed to the rigid support, and it is free to oscillate about its mean position. In this figure, one metallic bob which is suspended with the help of a thread to the rigid support. The point where the free end of the thread is fixed is called point of suspension. And in this figure there are three positions are there of the pendulum bob. A position is the extreme position, B position is the mean or central position, and C is the another extreme position. Now some definition terms regarding the simple pendulums. In the above figure, AB or BC is called the amplitude of pendulum. The definition of amplitude is the maximum displacement of a pendulum bob from its mean position to the extreme position is called amplitude. Now when it is said to be one oscillation is completed. So in the figure, if the metallic bob starts to move from extreme position A and then move to the second extreme position C through B and again come back to the extreme position A, then it is said to be one oscillation is completed. So one complete to and fro movement of the pendulum around its mean position is called one oscillation. Time period. The time taken by the pendulum bob to complete one oscillation is called time period. Formula of time period is time taken divided by number of oscillations, and time period of a simple pendulum is measured in second. So SI unit of time period is second. Frequency. The number of oscillations made by a pendulum bob in 1 second is called the frequency. Formula of frequency is 1 by time period. That is, frequency is the reciprocal of its time period. Now, what is the SI unit of frequency? So, SI unit of frequency is Hertz. Now, one question which is based on the formula of time period and frequency. In the question it is given that a pendulum oscillates 50 times in 5 seconds. Find the time period and frequency. So here in this question it is given that pendulum oscillates 50 times. That means number of oscillation is 50. It means pendulum oscillates 50 times in 5 seconds. So in this question, total number of oscillations made by pendulum bob is 50. Time is given 5 seconds. And we know the formula, time period is equal to time taken divided by number of oscillation. So in this question, time taken by the pendulum is given 5 and number of oscillation is 50, so 5 divided by 50. 5 10 are 50, so here 1 by 10. 1 by 10 which is equal to 0.1 second. Now you have to also find the frequency. We know the formula of frequency. Frequency is equal to 1 by time period, because frequency is the reciprocal of its time period. So 1 by 0.1. If you remove the decimal point, then frequency will be 10 Hz. Thank you.